Hey there everybody, today is Saturday, the 16th day of November 2024, about 1:04 in the afternoon, and we're in downtown Foley, Alabama. If you can read that sign, you can probably figure out where I'm at. You can see there it says 0 miles. And look at these pretty little flowers. Alright, so don't have too much out. But here's this antique rose trail. It's right downtown. I want to just show you this. This is the very start of it. Got this little fencing area. And right back behind me, just want to show you. Got some pretty decent trees over there. And then the water tower down there, it says Foley. So we're going to walk this thing. And as I find interesting things around, of course, I'll bring those to you. Show them to you. As always doing these videos, you can see we start off with some great big magnolias right here. We got a lot of oak trees in this area we've seen just since getting here yesterday. It's a great big dog park over here. Several people's got dogs over there. You see a great big lamp post there. And some little flower bushes there. Of course, they say this is the best to do in the spring. That's when the flowers, of course, are all in bloom. I've never done this before. I've never been here before, so I don't know what I'm going to find, but I'm going to bring it to you at all cost and find just what's interesting, and we'll take it from there. Right here, in fact, I'll show you this before I shut this first section off. Here's the Foley Dog Park 2016, it says. So there you go. That's pretty cool right there, all by itself. You see the sky's beautiful today. Alright, we'll continue the walk and I'll let you know what I see. Right down from the dog park, we've got this little swing right here. So that'd be kind of nice to set in. And you can see there are some flowers here too. Got these pink ones. I don't know what they are. I know they're pretty. That looks like a rose there. So I'm going to assume there's some kind of that. Right over here to my right, they've got a little butterfly here. I see another one over yonder too. I'll show that to you in a second. This is the butterfly garden is what this is. So you see it's stripped for winter right now. But there you got that cute little guy. Got a neat pretty rock here. Check that out. I think I'll take a picture. Oh, and there's a, well, boy, he done ran away. There's a little lizard on that rock. Anyway, right here is the other butterfly I was talking about. And you see I'll be crossing this street and going on over there, and then we'll keep going. Alright, that's where I just came from. This is my first street across on this little walk. See the flag up there? There's part of downtown Foley and its traffic. And this is what you cross over into, is this gate here. So, took a picture of one of these little white flowers here. Very nice. And up here you can see we got a lot more flowers. And again, remember, this is the second half of November. And all these flowers are out here. So, I find that pretty astonishing. Oh yeah, had this stuff up in Decatur up in the summertime. All light fuzzy stuff. It's kind of got a purplish tint to it. Little tiny flowers all back here. A couple of nice benches, see, for you said if you get tired. And then some more flowers over here with another lamp post. Alright, so you see this is a paved sidewalk. Great, big, and wide. Here, if I get all the way over to this side, I mean, look at that. And 2 or 3 other people could pass by me easily. Alright, then here we got these light things here. You can see there's some flowers in here. And there is a bench back here. And a bench over there for you to sit. And you see it's all bricked. And some flowers back there in the back. And got some murals over yonder. And that old building up there. So we'll keep looking. Check out this old rusty Chevy. How neat is that? See the headlights down there between the fence? That's pretty cool. Alright, so on this walk I've run across the Foley Railroad Museum. We read about this. You can actually go in here and view this for free, which we do plan to do. You can see it's Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday 10 to 2. Railroad Museum is Monday through Saturday, 10 to 3. Okay, so 5 hours a day, 6 days a week. Train ride Saturday year-round, Tuesday and Thursday in the summer, 10 to 2, free admission. Not a bad looking train down there, huh? And then this is the depot. Pretty cool looking. We got a little water fountain right here. Still got some water situation going on. Some traffic, you know, but let's listen to some of the calming effect of the water here. Alright, that should relax you. 1915 historic downtown Foley, you can see. Oh look, got the little purple flowers. I got the cat out of there. The yellow flowers right there. Right there. Alright, Heritage and John B. Foley Park is what that says. Let's go up and look at this sign here and see what it says. Let's see. There we go. Pause that, read that. Give us a little history. Continue on the other side. Let me go look at it. How you doing? Ooh, got the sun. Yeah, I try to block that sun out for you. Pause that and read that as best you can. Alright, then over there is the opening to this. You got some really nice trees right there. Let me go look at that opening. Alright, so you can see, here's the opening, here's some of the fence. There's like great big urns up there at the top. Some benches here. You just walk into a grass situation. Okay, so got some parking over there. Another building over there across that little street. And here's the train running. I'll get that for you. You can see it coming out of the shade here in a second. It's a cute little train. Staying shaded, but you can hear it hopefully. Yeah, I know you see it now. Alright. Pretty nice. I just want to show you this building's connection here. You can see it's got a railroad crossing thing there with the lights on, and this is the rest of the building. This is going to be the museum, I'm sure. That is nice looking, is it not? I think it's pretty. Alright, we'll keep going. Okay, so I found the train engine here at the top, the front of it. So that's pretty nice, isn't it? Great big thing. Now, just give you a little look down this side of it. So there you go, all the way down through there. Climbing on top of the locomotive or any of the train cars is not allowed. Okay, so you can't climb on top of them. Over here, this says Foley Centennial Park. So this is obviously where we're at here. So we'll go check it out. We've got a nice fountain up there, looks like. Actually, see this nice staircase here. It just goes right on up. And that clock up there, I think the time's pretty spot on accurate, I believe. Alright, let's go through here, take a look. There's got all kinds of stuff written on these steps. And on these things, got things written. Okay, got seating all the way around here, looks like. Yeah, back on this side too. See, got seating. Seating over yonder. I'm right dead in the middle of this thing. Now let's look straight up. So there we go. Got some nice trees out here. Got a nice fountain out there. More lighting down here. Alright. A great big thing over there across the street. We'll go take a look at that. Yeah, see there's a staircase over there. You can go up and then get across the street with traffic to make it easier not to deal with that. Alright, let's go on up here. Alright, now over here they've got a little town, but there's quite a few little kids over there, so I don't want to go in and get them on video too close or nothing like that. I just want to give you a glimmer of it here as I walk by. You can see right here house says Foley, Alabama. Somebody went through some great pains to build that thing, did they not? L&N Depot. There you go. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, now here we've got the a great big gazebo. It's up here, see there's a couple of palm trees right there. But this is a big gazebo, man. Got several steps that goes up it here. Got some ceiling fans in it, got 4 of them. Look at that ceiling. Looks like beadboard to me. Got all these columns around it. I think that's pretty neat. And then even here, you see, it is wheelchair accessible. So there you go. So people in wheelchairs can even get up here and check this out and check out the view. That's extremely nice. I like it when I see that sort of stuff. Alright, so there's some more like entrance things there, but there's no real true entrance here. It's like the other one just onto the grass. There's another look at the palm trees there. How cool is that? So I came from that direction there and been spending some time in these little flower beds. That one over there and this one right here. Trying to take some nice macro shots of some of these. And then we're going to head on out this way. The train just passed me actually as I was swapping out my lens. So let's keep going, see what else we can find on this little trail. Alright, so that building there is pretty cool, and I want to show you the train that's coming across. There it is, going across the street. Ain't that neat? I think you like that. But how you like the paint job on this whole building? It says it's posted, so you know you're not allowed on it. But I wouldn't go on it anyway. But very nice looking. Alright, so here's this building I shot a little bit ago and took some pictures of from the side. See all the vines growing out of it there. And here's our trail. You see, we've got that cool little palm tree. Some little nice flowers right here. Bench. Another post there. And a light post on down yonder here on the left hand side. Got some flowers hanging out over here by this palm tree. Here, let's get this one up close for you. Always a nice shot. I just took a shot of it, you know, leaning down. But you see, we've got this railing over here on the side. Here's the end of this building. It's fenced off. We've got this nice little railing. Got some various flowers in here. And there's really nice trees. And there's that light post I done told you about. Look at the limbs on this tree here. Wow. These, my friend, are nice limbs. And that's a butterfly there. Check those limbs out. Are those not cool? Those are very cool. I like them. Okay, there goes the train down the sidewalk. They just passed me again, but really wanted to show you all these flowers. This little gazebo we got right here. And you see there's a couple of benches in it to sit down and rest. Enjoy the flowers. Look at this. That's nice flowers, is it not? Alright, we're going to head on down this way and see what else we can find. Look at these trees here before I shut this off. These are the kind of trees that they don't have no bark on them. Here, check this out. Pretty cool bark. I should come up on this nice shady scene here. Got this nice bridge, another lamp post there. Got a picnic table sitting there. And down there is a concrete canal over there. And then got some water running that way down a natural looking creek. Right underneath this bridge in here. Just want to get that for you. Not a bad looking bridge, is it? We're going to go across that thing and see what we got. Okay, and now as I step off the bridge that we were just on, I showed you, they got a bunch of solar panels here in jail, it looks like. So the solar panels, they come to Foley, Alabama. They get a little rowdy. Well, you see, they wind up in jail. And right across from them See, we got flowers and butterfly. Cool. It's got a blue dot. Big old butterfly there, orange and kind of yellowish. And a yellow, purple center, green leaves. Oh, looks like that one's leaves fell off. Or a leaf at least. And we got this little circle area. And we got a butterfly up here. Let's go look at it. Alright, so I'm going to bring you this little orange butterfly here. He's kind of cute. Got little yellow flowers down there. And then I think we finish up right up there. Alright, so this is the section I just finished walking here. And it says Antique Rose Trail, 0 miles. So it's like it is over right here. But I'm going to show you this across the street. There is what looks like a bike path here. And in fact, they got a partial bike anyway painted down here. So I'm not sure where this goes, but I'll go a little bit and find it out. But I think we finished the Antique Rose Trail. Alright, so I'm done with this here walk. I walked quite a ways back that way to the bicycle path here that I'm on. There you can see some of it, hopefully. And hopefully you can hear me. That traffic's a bit loud out there. Anyway, I hope you think that this was worth watching, because I certainly believe that it was worth shooting. A lot of neat little things on here. And in the spring, I would imagine there's a lot more flowers and it'd be a lot more beautiful. That's my guess. Show you these trees over here. Not too shabby, huh? See if it go like that. Alright, that's what it's like walking up under those trees there. Hey, I'm gonna close this one out. So if you like it, thumb it up. You know, you comment it, share, subscribe if you haven't. All that kind of good stuff that you do. Just checking this little street here, making sure nobody will run me over before I go. I'm gonna head back to where I started, and then might do some flying. I don't know. We're gonna see. Hang with me though. Check out the next video. Take care of yourself. See you on the next one. Adios.